Alright, so today we're going to do some training over a frost-proof hydrant. We have a very basic one here. The most notable things you need to understand about it is you have a plunger going through here that seals at the very back, which this would be inside of your wall, inside of the building, so the outside is not being affected by the weather and freezing. On this side here you have a weep hole that you can see, so that when you shut the water off and the plunger seals here, everything through here can drain out. This particular wall hydrant does have a vacuum breaker nozzle attached to it, which can come off if need be. This vacuum breaker is for if you have like a water hose attached to it. Everything in the water hose can also be pushed right out of it as well. So what we're going to learn today is what happens and what you need to do for if this is still leaking when you're supposed to have the water shut off. First thing you want to do obviously is, if you can, isolate the line. If not, you have to shut the water off to the store, in which case we will be quoting to put in an isolation valve for them. That's a money tip. Then once you've drained everything out, you'll see right here you have a little locking nut. We'll just come in. Well, actually, first you want to open it up so that it pulls the plunger back out of the seal. Then you'll come through, loosen up this locking nut, and it will pull out. Now for this one, should be able to get it to unscrew here. Disconnect that piece, and then you'll have to work it out of the wall, and that's your plunger piece. Your repair kit will have this whole piece. You just get the new plunger. Some of these plungers you can just screw the plunger piece right off if the rod is not damaged. Ideally though, you want to just use everything that's in the repair kit and put it back through. And as you can see, straight through, it's just a normal wide open pipe essentially. So putting it back together, you'll push it back through, put the plunger in, push it through, tighten the locking nut back up, just a few turns, open this back up, and then continue to tighten down your locking nut until you get it all the way in. Once you've got that locking nut all the way back tightened down, go back, tighten this down, go back inside, turn your water on, look for leaks, open it back up, make sure that obviously you have water flow and everything happening, test it back, close it back, make sure everything reseals and everything like it's supposed to. Make sure you have no leaks on your system and everything from all the soldering. For this one, you do a new FIP, kind of like how we do a frost-proof hydrant in the ground. You know, we do the new 90 and everything, and then you'll put your wall back together. We'll do a training video on a wall repairs But this is the basics to a frost-proof hydrant. Any questions?